Supriya Srinath, why don't you first answer what is being suggested by Sudhanshu Trivedi, that the Congress has no moral right, according to him, to suddenly plunge in and make this an issue of Dalit lives matter. According to him, for years, the Valmiki community was confined to being Safai Karmacharis.
You know, I don't even want to comment on such a condemnable statement that Mr. Trivedi is making here, for the simple reason that he kept calling his government being very different. It is absolutely true. Under the watch of his government in UP, the crime against women is skyrocketing and the crime against Dalits is rising very, very sharply. I have statistics, but I will not go into that. He says we are a very different government. He's absolutely right. In this government, a girl dies of a gruesome crime. And look at the criminal negligence that has followed. Her rape application or FIR is not lodged for 8 days. The chief minister of the state does not give a single statement for 15 days till she passes away. And then she is not transferred to Delhi in good time. And then the DM goes and intimidates the family. Now the family has been confined to their house. The media is threatened and ambushed and told to leave Hathras. What are they trying to hide? And what is the symbolic gesture? Suspend the SP. When will bigger heads roll? And in a state, where does the law and order, the buck for law and order stop? It stops at the door of the UP chief minister. And the criminal negligence stops with him. The ADG law and order is making absurd claims of no rape, whereas the reality is that the IPC section 375, which was amended in 2013, and the Supreme Court verdict in state of UP versus Babul Nath clearly states you don't need to fight the semen, you don't even need penis penetration to assert there is a rape. All that you need is even an attempt to do so will be considered rape. And look at the negligence that's followed. One of the topmost officers, the ADG responsible for law and order, says there was no rape because no semen was found. Shouldn't heads roll? I mean, all for suspending an SP? What are we talking about? The buck stops with Adityanath on this. The BJP can say what they want. He stayed mum, absolutely mum for 15 days. And in that time period, his very, very senior officials, including his chief information advisor, kept calling it fake news.
Okay.
Who is going to be answerable for all of the criminal negligence that has followed? And look at how the girl was cremated. Look at what has followed with her family after her death. I mean, they should fold their hands in shame and seek apology instead of coming here and talking boisterously.
Okay, I'm going to go to each one. Jignesh Bhewani, you were there at the protests that have taken place at Jantar Mantar today. Is this an attempt to create, in a way, India's George Floyd moment, a kind of Dalit lives matter like Black lives matter? Is this about the girl's caste identity, or is it that a woman, a daughter of India, has been raped? And the fact is, one daughter is raped every 15 minutes in this country.
मैं उसके पहले सिद्धांशु ने जो कहा उस पर थोड़ा रिएक्ट करना चाहूँगा। उन्होंने भारत के वाल्मीकि समुदाय के सफाई कर्मियों को लेकर जो कंसर्न दिखाई, मैं उनको याद करवाना चाहूँगा कि कर्मयोगी नाम की किताब में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने लिखा था कि सफाई कर्मियों को सफाई काम करने में आध्यात्मिकता का आनंद मिलता है। ये है आपकी वाल्मीकि समुदाय के सफाई कर्मियों की ओर की कंसर्न। इस बार ये आपका माइंडसेट है। आप सफाई कर्मियों के बारे में इतने साल यदि कंसर्न रहे तो पूरे भारत के किसी भी कोने में आज भी सफाई कर्मियों को मिनिमम वेज नहीं मिलता। आज भी 250-300 रुपए में वो गटर में उतरकर उनकी मौत हो जाती है।